Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Shoes can damage your wash drum. That is why we recommend putting them into a wash bag or pillowcase to protect them from getting caught on the drum. If you have a top-loading wash machine, put your shoe in the very bottom first and then cover with towels.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Many sneakers can be washed in a front-load washer if care is taken to protect against shrinkage and unnecessary wear during the wash cycle. Check the label of the sneaker, inside the tongue or along the inside edge, to verify that the sneakers are washable.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.